What's up guys, this is Flo and today I'm gonna introduce you to the BrainGain adjustable set, the Chrome version that can go up to 41.5 kg. Let's go. In case you don't know, an adjustable dumbbell is a dumbbell that can go from a small weight to a heavier weight. In this case, this dumbbell can go from 4 kg up to 41.5 kg, which can go from 9 pounds up to 91 pounds. And as you can see, to go from one weight to another, it is super fast. You just have to go for a twist of the wrist and you can see that it goes super quick and fast. And this is definitely life-changing, considering that to replicate this amount of option, you will need almost 52 dumbbell set, which will take a huge amount of space. So you will be getting fit without wasting any space. If you choose the 41.5 kg option, they will arrive in 4 different boxes. 2 boxes that will include the base and the dumbbell, and 2 extra boxes that will include the extra weight. In terms of dimension, one dumbbell at maximum load is equal to 44 centimeters long and 19.5 centimeters high and wide, which is equal to 17.3 inches long and 7.7 inches wide and high. And if you include their base, it's around 50 centimeters long, which is equal to 19.6 inches long. It comes with a 13 centimeters long handle, which is pretty comfortable and will suit most hands, which if you live in the US, it's equal to 5.5 inches long. So as you can see, the first biggest strength of this adjustable dumbbell set is how compact they are. You see, for this amount of weight, this is super compact compared to other brands on the market. You will be able to go from 4 up to 41.5 kg in one twist of the wrist with 1.5 kg increment, which is amazing. This product right here has the most increment possibility from all options in the market. Regardless of your level, you will be able to find the perfect weight for your current level and progress over time, which is absolutely what you want when you are thinking long term in terms of training. Its handle technology is really smooth, I must say, and it's super quick to go from one weight to another, which is perfect if you want to do drop sets, superset, or even train with somebody that has a different level than you. If you are concerned about the safety, don't worry. The only way to adjust the weight is when it's put back on its base, which means you will not have any risk of losing a weight, so don't worry about it. This technology is super safe. The base has been designed in hard plastic, which is super solid, even though you will have to take care of it and be careful when you put them back to avoid any accidents with it and make sure they last forever. Regarding the design, it comes in chrome and black, which is super nice. I think it gives a pretty premium look, and you will also have the ability to choose another model from the brand, which is all black. About its handle, you will have 2 different options, the 34mm and the 37mm. So regardless how big is your hand, you will find the right option for you. And this will increase comfort and safety, so this is pretty good. The handle is super comfortable and replicates a regular dumbbell handle. It is non-slippery and will help you to stay safe and strong while doing your workout. It will also last very well in time and make sure you keep it forever. Something I really like about those dumbbell and this specific technology is that if you decrease or increase the weight, the dumbbell is still very well balanced. If you decrease the weight, it's gonna make the dumbbell smaller, which will increase stability and comfort. And when you compare this with other models you can find on the market, especially the plastic version that has a very weird base, even at lower weight, and make the training feel more real, like you will experience in the regular gym. One of my favorite things about this dumbbell is that it's super versatile and will allow you to do so many different training styles. You will be able to go from heavy lifting and do heavy deadlift, for example, up to drop set and superset at a lighter weight to work your shoulders, your biceps. This weight selection will allow you to progress over time and really suit your current level. I personally train very often with my fiance and we have 2 different levels, but still we don't feel any frustration because it is super quick and easy to go from one weight to another. You'll be able to work your strength, your cardio, your functional training. You got me. You will be able to train anything you want with only one product, which is definitely a good thing. They are of course a rust resistance, even though you don't want to train them and leave them outside in the rain. They will last for a long time. Its material is super durable. It's made in chrome, which gives a very premium feel. No adjustable dumbbells are perfect, and this model is no exception to the rules. Of course, there are a few points that could be improved. And like every adjustable dumbbell, you will not be able to drop them on the ground. You have to be careful. This is more for like a gentleman type of workout. If your goal is to slam them on the ground between each set, these are not the right type of dumbbells for you, and you will need to go for fixed dumbbells instead. It is pretty normal and pretty common for any type of adjustable dumbbell. So be aware of this, take care of them, and they will last forever. Another thing is that due to the amount of disc you have on this dumbbell, it also make a little bit of noise if you are shaking them, like twisting your wrist while doing it. It's not a massive problem because this is not making that much noise. This is also its biggest strength because it gives you so many different options for one product. Another thing to be aware of is that they are made for indoor training. So make sure to don't train outside in the rain or don't leave them too much in a high humidity environment. So who are they for? Well, if you are trying to get fitter, improve your cardio and have something exciting that will allow you to do multiple training styles with one product, which means you will not waste any space, those products are amazing. Yes, they come at a higher price compared to regular dumbbell set, but remember, they replicate more than 52 regular dumbbell set, which will save you a ton of space and make you have fun with one product. You will be able to train with someone at a different level. You will be able to do your cardio, your strength training. You will be able to do drop set, super set, go from a heavy movement to a lighter option in no time. If you are, for example, a personal trainer that often train people with different levels, this is gonna save you so much time and space. You just put this in a car. You can move them easily from a room to a room, put them in your car. You always have this option. To summarize, I believe that those Brain Gain adjustable dumbbells are amazing and one of the best options of the market. As I said, they are super compact for this amount of weight, up to 41.5 kg, which is equal to more than 90 pounds just with a small dumbbell set like this. To me, this is absolutely what we're looking for. It's great, it's good looking, it's durable, it's gonna help you do a ton of exercises, so I'm all for it. And the good news is Brain Gain is offering us the ability to offer you a great discount. You will have the link and the code in the description below. In the meantime, if you have any question about this model or any other model from the brand, feel free to ask and I will be more than happy to reply. I wish you a good workout and I'll see you very soon.